Noise is back with one more affordable category smartwatch, and this one is like pretty crazy, guys. It literally costs only around 12.99 rupees and packs every feature that you would want on a smartwatch. You're getting Bluetooth calling, big 1.69-inch TFT display, and also a premium elegant design. This is their all new Colorfit Vivid Call smartwatch, and just launched in India today, and we'll be getting our unboxing and hands-on very first experience in this video. So this particular smartwatch is available in like 5 or 6 different color variants. Today in the house we have a special green and blue color edition, so I'll show you both of these variants in this video, guys. And crazy thing is, if you actually go to Noise website, and if you're a new member, you can actually get like a 200 rupees extra discount, and total effective price of this smartwatch can be only around like 1000 rupees. What more can you ask for this price point? So as soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Vivid Call smartwatch in green color, and along with that you also get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. So that is pretty much it. I just quickly unbox the other one as well, and there you go, we have both the color variants side by side, green on the left and blue on the right. Oh wow, this doesn't look like a budget category smartwatch at all, guys. Initial impressions, watch looks quite premium and elegant. I mean, look at the whole design over here. It has a very metallic sort of finish, but actually body looks like it's made of polycarbonate only. Now come on, for this price point, I don't think you'll get metal body. Now personally, if you'd ask me, I love this green color with the copperish gold accents on the body. This one looks more elegant. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now having a closer look and talking about the display, you're getting a 1.69-inch big TFT LCD display with 240 by 280 resolution and has a nice 2.5D sort of curve as well. And talking about the body, I've told you, right, good build quality I would say, but it's made of polycarbonate in a metallic sort of finish. To the right you have only one crown, which is your multifunction button, and that is pretty much it. On the left over here you can check out the onboard microphone and speaker because it has Bluetooth calling support, right? And on the bottom you're getting a hard shell plastic case and noise branding along with your HR sensor and charging contacts. That is pretty much it, our complete overview. And not to miss out the fact it's also IP67 dust and water resistant. Quality of the straps is also very good, feels soft and durable, and good thing is they're also replaceable and fully customizable as per your taste and requirement. Well, that's it, our complete overview. What I'll do is I'll quickly set them up, use them for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this watch for a couple of days, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and review on this particular model. First of all, let me tell you about the comfort and in-hand feel. Vivid Call feels very comfortable in the hand. It's also quite lightweight, and main thing, it looks quite premium for this price point. Nobody would believe it's a 1200 rupees smartwatch. And yes, it also has raise to wake function also on the screen, but unfortunately since it doesn't have AMOLED display, you're not getting always on display. Keep that in mind. So here's how the display looks like, guys. First, let me tell you about the display quality. You're getting a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display with 240 by 280 resolution, and it's a very good display for this price point. Though I have to mention, you have thick bezels everywhere over here, very much visible in custom wallpaper backgrounds, but still 12.99 ka watch hai, guys. You can't expect it to be like bezel-less, right? You'll have to live with this. Keeping that aside, there's excellent amount of detail. Everything looks crisp and clear, either it be text messages or a menu, notification, anything. And colors also look rich and vivid. You'll be very satisfied with the display for this price point. In fact, it's actually pretty bright also, around 550 nits, and I had no issues checking out the display even in bright sort of outdoor situations as well. Now coming to the watch faces on board, you're getting 5 pre-installed watch faces on board, but nothing to worry, you can even download like 100 plus cloud-based watch faces using Noise Colorfit compatible app, which you need to install on your phone. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a complete overview on the menu and navigation part. Swiping up brings up the status panel. Here you can check out the battery level. Unfortunately, there is no battery percentage indicator. That's a bit bummer. Apart from that, you have a couple of quick access toggles, but one thing I have to mention here, the watch doesn't have screen timeout settings, and every 3 seconds display keeps getting turned off, and it was a bit irritating for me. Please, Noise, definitely take this like a feedback and add that option. Swiping down on the home screen brings the notifications panel where you can check out all your recent messages. Swiping right gives you quick access toggles like fitness related data, health related data, weather analysis, and all those shortcuts. And by swiping left on the home screen is how you can access the complete list of apps and features present on this watch. As usual guys, all the noise watches have very similar UI, built-in apps and features. Here also you're getting the same features, like you have the full noise health suit application is there, 100 plus port tracking activity applications are there, and noise bus, this is your Bluetooth calling app, messages app is also there, and weather analysis, remote camera shutter, remote music player control is also available. All your clock related functions like stopwatch, alarms, timer, calculator app is also built in guys. Like what more can you ask for at this price point? And crazy part is watch also has like a couple of built-in games also, like Flappy Bird, and one more hamster game is there, so time pass ho jayega. That is also a good addition to this particular smartwatch. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the built-in apps and features. Settings are also very simple guys, just watch faces settings are there, vibration settings are available, and brightness adjustment. That's it, there is nothing much special over here considering this price point. Moving on, let's talk about the health related functions as well. Full health suit applications are there. You can measure your 24/7 HR measurement app, sleep data analysis, blood oxygen SpO2 measurement is also there, and your regular day-to-day fitness activities like step counters, distance travel, how much calories you're burning, all of these functions are built into this watch. And the sensors on board were doing a decent job. Around 80% of the time you're getting accurate results, either it be HR or SpO2, and I would say it was doing a pretty decent job for this price point. But coming to the main part, let's talk about the Bluetooth calling experience. Yes, you are getting an onboard microphone and speaker also, so you can literally dial in any number from the smartwatch only and talk to that person without even taking out your phone from your pocket. But for this, you'll definitely need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. So this is how the dial-up pad looks like. Just simply dial in any number and hit the call button, and that is it. The watch will place a call. Just listen to this sound, so you'll get an idea on the speaker quality.
దయచేసి డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ ని చెక్ చేసుకోండి. आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर अमान्य है. कृपया डायल किए गए नंबर की जांच कर ली.
That was actually impressive, right? Speaker on this affordable smartwatch is very loud. I was not expecting that. It's crisp and clear, loud and easily audible in most of the environments and situations. So definitely appreciate that. And microphone quality is also not half bad, guys. Like compared to even like expensive models, I felt the mic and speaker on this particular affordable model is a lot better. So definitely good Bluetooth calling experience I had on the Vivid Call smartwatch from Noise. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Again, Bluetooth calling smartwatches don't have that great of a battery life. So on an average, if you're like a heavy user who uses Bluetooth calling a lot, you can expect around like 1 day of battery life at most, guys. Again, if you're like a moderate sort of user who uses Bluetooth calling like at minimum, and you're using it mostly like a smartwatch with simple health related tracking and features, then maybe you can easily expect around like 6 to 7 days of battery life. So these were the sort of results you can expect on this model. So that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up, our complete unboxing and review on this brand new affordable category Colorfit smartwatch from Noise, their all new Vivid Call 2023. It's a great budget smartwatch, I'd say, guys. Full on package for this price point. You're getting premium and elegant design, squarish form factor, big display, all features are there on this smartwatch. Bluetooth calling is also there, and not to miss out IP67. Only thing I felt it was missing was an AMOLED display, but apart from that, rest everything else was great. As I've told you, introductory price offer of this smartwatch is around 1299 rupees, and later it'll cost you around like 1699 rupees. So in case if you're planning to buy this model, go buy it right now, guys. Links in the description box below, and offer lasts only till the stocks are there. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.